Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun day. Me and my mum are gonna do our annual Bicester visit. I'm very excited. We've got given the day off of work today for World Mental Health Day, so thought why not go on a little Bicester trip, because I always feel like if you go at the weekend it's going to be absolutely rammed. I mean, even on the weekdays it's pretty rammed, but yeah, it's always better to go on a weekday, I think. And it's kind of rainy, which might be a good thing because maybe people will be like, oh, CBA to go out. I'm very excited. I went to an event last night with Jack Wills, so kind of tired, but that was super fun. But yeah, if you want to see that, go follow my TikTok because I don't do them very often, but I'm trying to get better at it. I'm going to show you my little outfit and then we'll get going. I'm thinking of buying some sunglasses today because I just always think, like, when I finish off an outfit, especially when I have curly hair, I always put sunglasses in my hair, so why not have some nice ones. I'll show you my fit and then we'll get going. Okay, this is today's look. We've gone for very simple black and nude. We've got this coat from Rebellious, which I need to take some content in, which is absolutely stunning. Like, I feel like I look super expensive, and I think this was only like £40, so honestly really worth it. It's not like really warm, but that's actually kind of good for like this weather because it's still 20 degrees but just rainy, probably a bit windy. Then I've got this dress from Zaful, which is honestly the most flattering dress, helping me out on my hungover body. And then got some little boots on from PLT because I just want to be comfy, and the colours match really well, I feel like, with the coat. And then jewellery wise, I've got this new necklace on that says Fee from Abbott Lion, and just Monica Vernada rings and earrings. But yeah, that's the fit check. Oh, and obviously every time I go to Bicester, gotta bring the Prada that we got there on the first ever trip. Let's go shop and probably eat some food because I'm hungry.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby, so I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
We're just grabbing a quick prep with the subscription before we start shopping. I think we're gonna go now, just carry on from Pret and go up one side, so Burberry's first, and then go around and then come back to Pret, probably get another drink. And we might do like an afternoon teas or like a late lunch rather than lunch because it's already 12:30. So yeah, we might do more of like an afternoon tea at like 2:30. I'm excited to shop. I like this coat. It's a men's coat, but it's really nice, but it is about £1,000. Okay, this bag is in Tory Burch. It's really cute. It's got a longer strap as well, but I prefer a shorter strap. And it's magnetic, so easy to do. It's like soft texture, and it's 50% off this special price, so it's only like 170, which I know is a lot still, but for a good bag, very tempted by this. Absolutely love these boots in Isabel Marant. They're kind of gorge. These boots are really cute too. Very much thinking of going on another ski trip, and these would look kind of gorgeous skiing. Just come to Ladurée to get a little macaron. If you're a member, you get 2 free macarons. So what flavours have we got? Oh, that one looks cool. Oh, gold one. We have our macarons. Mum's gone for a passion fruit, I've gone for a pistachio. Mother? Try the pistachio. Oh, it's really good. These boots in the logo are so cool. Love them. What up there? I think I prefer, these are in Prada. They're 160 and I really like them. They're really flattering on the face. I think this is a possibility too. There's this pair, which have this little thing on the side, which are cool, but I don't think they're as nice on the face. Then there's this pair, which I think are more flattering on the face, but the arm isn't as cool, I don't think. But they're both the same price, so we'll see. I like this one. It's down from 1,500, so good deal. But yeah, I really like that one. And this blazer dress as well is nice. I thought we were sharing. Oh, yes. Right, we have some mozzarella bites to start, and this is crab on toast. We're in the farm shop, and the restaurant's really cute. It's like boho, but like, I don't even know how to explain it, like wooden everywhere. Yeah, really, really cozy vibes. Wow, okay, the mains have arrived. I've got a salmon with tender stem and an aioli, and we got some truffle fries to share. And Mum's got a poached egg avocado salad. It's absolutely huge. Yay, very excited about this. I'm gonna try my truffle fry on camera. It's got like parmesan on them too. That's so good. Also, I tried on a ring in Fendi. It's really nice, but I think I've got a lot of rings now. And I like getting jewellery nowadays from like on holidays. So it's got like a little meaning to it. Like this one I got in Lisbon. It's not going to focus, but I got it in Lisbon and it's really cute. So I think I'm going to do that more now. And the ring is 210. But the sunglasses are 160 and the bag is 185. So I think at the moment sunglasses are top of the list. We haven't been to everything yet, so I might find some more sunglasses that I like more. But I think as of now, Prada sunglasses. I've grabbed these two little sweater vests from Ganni. I'm going to try them on just over the top of my dress because they're really cute and they're £105. I think they're in the sale. I think they'd be around just over £80, which I think is a really good price for like basically a jumper. I can wear them both to work as well. Okay, we have the Ganni sweater vest on and it is really cute. Can't really tell because of the blue curtain behind, but I really like it. I think I could wear it with multiple things. Very versatile. You can put it down as well to wear it that way if you wanted to wear it. I think I prefer it with like the sort of crop here. I always like navy as a colour. So I could wear it with jeans, I could wear it with trousers. I like it. I'm going to try this one on, but it's a medium, so it might not fit as well. I think these bags are so cute. I love the like furry detailing on them. Really cute. Okay, this jacket I'm in love with. I haven't looked at the price yet, so I could fall swiftly out of love with it. 233. Depends if it's also in the sale or not, but I just love it. It's really cool. It's obviously way too big, but it's so cool. If this fit right, I probably would very much consider, because it's got an extra 20% off, I think. It's be like £200. Oh, that's kind of gutting, but oh well. It means I shouldn't be spending the money. Done a little bit more damage since I last checked in. One thing is for Edward, so that's not my own money, but I got some sunglasses in Dior, so I will show you them when we get back. I'm not going to get the Prada ones. I got the Dior ones, so yeah, I'll do a little haul of these two purchases when we get home. This is always the best part at the end. Bye bye, Bicester. Till next time. Hello, we are back from Bicester. I'm so tired. I cannot wait to honestly just snuggle up in bed. These are my purchases. I'm very, very happy. You obviously saw the sweater vest in Ganni. So this was originally, it didn't even say on the label in the end. It was £195 on like original price. Then the Bicester price was £117. And then we actually got it down to £91, I think it was. So basically a £100 discount, basically 50% off. Very cute. Oh, it's got a little bit of, get rid of that. We've seen this. This is really cute. Very happy with that. Can't wait to wear that. And then, so to make it go down from the 117 to the 90, I got this little Ganni keyring, which is super cute. So I'm gonna put that on my keys, and that was £12. So that meant that I could get 20% off the jumper. So it made it cheaper in total. It was £103 to get the two things instead of £117 to get just the jumper. I won't open Ed's bag with the shoes in because I want him to open it himself. Yeah, okay, I don't want to ruin all of how pretty that looks for him. I'll let him do that himself. For opening the shoes, this comes with a little dust bag. These are the sneaker whites, and these are the shoes. They're kind of gorgeous. Do you like them? They're super duper cool. Oh, they have a little arigato bit on the side here. Real nice, they smell nice as well. So these shoes were originally £290 and they were down to £143. I love the bag for Axel Arigato as well. Really nice bag, like proper sturdy handles. And then, exciting present of all, Dior, Dior, Dior. Little sticker. Oh, what have we got here? Little Dior card certification. What's in here? I think it's the receipt. Wow, that is the bougiest receipt I think I've ever seen in my life. Kind of cool. Oh, the box is so stunning as well. Oh, it's literally all wrapped up so pretty. Got Dior. Oh my god, it's a Dior sunglasses cleaner. It literally says Dior on it. I don't know if that's focusing, but that's actually kind of insane. This is so cool. Can you see that? Is that focused? Dior on the inside of the sunglasses case. Okay, here we go. So I've been wanting some tortoiseshell sunglasses for a while now because my ones are a bit broken. And here we are. Kind of gorgeous. I think I look a bit disheveled right now, so I don't know if they're like giving as much as they did in the shop, but they're big full coverage, so they're good for a lot of sun, and if I feel maybe a bit hungover one day, they cover the face quite a lot. They fit on the head, they look nice on the head like that, which we know I literally wear my sunglasses like that most of the time. And I really liked the arm. Here we go. I really like the arm of the sunglasses. I thought that was really pretty. So, yay! I now have some Dior sunglasses. I'm very, very happy. These were 160. I don't know what they were down from. Maybe it says on the receipt. I'm happy to put these on my dresser. They're called Gabrielle Cavallo. Oh no, is that the woman that sold me them maybe? Who knows? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I've enjoyed the day. The day's been great. And the Ladurée macarons are amazing. Me and my mum got 2 more before we left because she used her member code. So definitely if you're going soon, get the membership and get the free macarons because they were really good. I got raspberry the second time around and that was really good. So yeah, it's been a great little day. Obviously, you know the drill, like and subscribe because I'll probably be back again sometime soon. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.